Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the View into Hux World. And today we got another nice weekend watch face by my man WFP. And you know this guy always brings the noise with some nice watch faces. Now, I don't know what you got going on for the weekend, but I'm thinking you're going to like this one. And it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. Trust me, go in, take a look for yourself. I will leave a link to this watch face in the description down below. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this off. Okay, you all, let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called WFP0164 Exclusive. My man got down on this watch face. I like the creativity. I like the design of this watch face. Now, in AOD mode, it does have a premium look. So if you're going to be hitting the town, you're going to be dressed to impress, this is going to definitely look nice in the AOD mode. Now, once the watch face is on, the index lights up. I like the look of the index, and you get analog versus digital. Now, up at the top, you will get your battery info. You're going to get your digital time right up under that. You're going to get your analog hands, which looks very premium. And you're going to get a couple of dials. One is going to represent miles walked or ran. The one on the right is going to represent your heart rate information. Now, if you come down slightly, you will be able to get your step info, the day of the week, and also your date. Now, this watch face does pack a punch so far as features and functions, so let's check it out. If I tap right there, I get a menu, and the menu lets you know just about everything that you can do with this watch face. So we're going to cycle through every last one of them. So let's have a look really quick. So I'm going to tap back here to get out of the menu, and I'm going to double tap here. And now I changed the theme of the watch face, so if I like the other one, I can just tap back. Now also, if I double tap here, now I have more of a premium look, and you can make this watch face look exactly the way you want to, because we're not done with the features and functions. Now let me get out of this one, and I'm going to single tap at the top. Now if I want to, I could set a favorite just to make this watch face just that much more convenient. I double tap here, I could change the lighting of the watch face. You can't really see it in this mode, but this changes the lighting. Now if I come over here and tap, I could change the index. As you can see, now it goes to numbers. I thought this was definitely a good look. Just cycle through till you get to the one that you like for your design, and let it stay. All right, so let's double tap here, and I can change the color theme of my digital time and my date. Now you can change the theme of this watch face, and I'm telling you, it is nice. I did not know that this watch face had this, but if you double tap first, got to turn off the night mode. You turn off the night mode, double tap right here, and you can cycle through the many different themes that this watch face has to offer. My man really did an awesome job on this watch face, and you got many different themes to change this to. We're going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're in for when you download this super awesome watch face by WFP. Let's cycle through a couple of more just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for. What do you think, people? I'm liking this one. I am liking this one. Now I can change the color of the analog hands. We're on orange now, and I could do both. I come over here, I could do the same thing with the one at the bottom. Not a bad look at all. What do you think, people? You got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. But if I tap here, I can cycle in and check out my step status. I could tap here also, get my calories burned, step info, floors climbed, things of that nature. And if I tap down at the bottom, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. Again, this is not a bad look. These are my recent. So my man got down. My man gets down every single rip. But again, I would love to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Now, I almost forgot. If you look down at the bottom, you can see a slight animation with this watch face that looks really nice. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel and have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.